Hey, this is GUI Game Dev. In this short tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to use MoveTowards, Lerp and SmoothDamp. To start off, you'll need two game objects. I have one square called player and another called target, as that's the place I want to move. Once you have created the two game objects, make a C# script. To do that, right click, create a C# script and name it whatever you want. Once you have opened up the script, you will need to grab the target position. You can do this by making a public transform and naming it target. You will also need a speed that the game object will be moving at. So we will create a public float and naming it speed. Head over to update and type this. What this is doing is getting the current game object's position, moving it from your current position to the target position at a speed you can choose from times by time delta time, so that it is the same for every device. Make sure you drag the script over to a game object that you want to move and add the target location and the speed you would like. Once I run this, you can see it moves at a constant speed. Now to do Lerp, change MoveTowards to Lerp and you should see it speeding up at the start and slowing down at the end. You can customize the Lerp. If you are interested on me covering this, let me know on the description. We also have SmoothDamp. To add it, just change the Lerp to SmoothDamp. You will also need a public vector 3 named velocity and set it to vector 30. Then just add ref velocity behind speed and you got it working. That's all the 3 ways you can move your game object. Also on SmoothDamp, the higher the speed, the slower it goes. If you want to see some more semi-weekly short tutorials, make sure you subscribe. Goodbye.